Well, good afternoon, fourth grade. Let's turn to page 248. We're going to read about the small and the large intestine. So, that being said, this will get us rolling for Tuesday, April 14th. Top of page 248. Your small intestine. After the stomach has finished its part in digesting food, the chyme moves through another sphincter. This sphincter is a gate watcher. Each time it opens, a spoonful of chyme moves into the small intestine. The small intestine is where nutrients from food are absorbed. Nutrients are substances the body needs to live and grow. Inside the small intestine are tiny finger-like structures called villi. Well, there's about 5 million of these. As the chyme passes by, the villi absorb nutrients from it. Blood vessels in the villi pick up the nutrients. The blood vessels carry the nutrients then throughout the body. And if you take a look at the illustration at the bottom of 248, it will help you to understand this just a little bit better. Now, if we move over to page 249, we find at the top it reads, in most people, the small intestine extends over 6 meters. That means that the small intestine is about 20 feet long. Whoa. Though it is long, it is very narrow, about 1 inch wide. The small intestine uses peristalsis to move the chyme. Now, it takes about 4 hours for the chyme to pass through the small intestine and the nutrients from the food to be absorbed by your body. Your large intestine. The last part of the digestive tract is the large intestine. Now, it's about 5 feet long, much shorter than the small intestine, and the large intestine is much wider. Its diameter is about 2.5 inches. Most nutrients the body can use are absorbed in the small intestine. Any material the body cannot digest passes into the large intestine. Now, in the large intestine, the body absorbs any water and salts still in the chyme. Digestion is now complete. Only waste material is left. The body cannot use this material and eliminates it. The whole process of digestion takes anywhere from 1 to 4 days. Now, we have a few review questions that I would like to have you answer on a separate sheet of paper. There'll be 8 questions for you to answer. They are, and it should already be posted also, but in case you can't get to it. Number 1, how does chyme move through the small intestine? 2, what is the last part of the digestive tract? 3, what does the large intestine absorb from the chyme? 4, how long does the whole process take? 5, what does the small intestine do with the food? And 6, what are nutrients? 7, what are villi? And finally 8, what happens to the nutrients absorbed by the villi? So, that should get us rolling for Tuesday the 14th. Hope that you had a wonderful Resurrection Sunday. Looking forward when we can all get together again. Talk to you later. Bye.